Yeah, good morning, everybody. I'm gonna do a cold start video on this 400,000 BTU space shuttle engine, man. She'll smoke. It's running on red diesel. She'll smoke just a little bit, just a light haze, I think, until she warms up, and then after it cycles on and off, it doesn't smoke anymore. But it's been a good heater, man. And I'll turn it on first. Oh, that's off. On. That's 40 degrees right there, man. Let's crank it up to about 70. Just a little puff. Warm. It's getting hot too. We had it's rigged up for kerosene. We put diesel in it. It smoked like a freight train. So what I had to do is I turned the fuel pressure down on it because it was getting too much fuel, and diesel has more BTUs than kerosene does, so it puts out more heat per unit of fuel. So I turned the fuel pressure down on it, and so it's made my fuel consumption gone down. Plus it's more efficient and cheaper because I've got my red fuel part of me where I can buy red diesel a whole lot cheaper than I can kerosene. I don't know how much kerosene is going for this year, but it's got a light haze. Maybe, can't really tell. I don't think it's already cleared up. But it sit there and warm. It'll get redder in the center of that. It's still kind of cold. It's 42 now. Here in a second, I'll see if I can get a shot of it after it's been running for a little bit. That's about as red as it gets. I mean, I can get a little bit hotter, but that's good enough. It's up to 64. Turn it off. Then it'll go down the cool down mode. It'll run for just a little bit, cool down, and it'll shut off. And whenever it gets ready to fire up again, it'll blow carbon out. See the carbon on the floor, black spots? Just carbon. It's a nice heater, bud. She's nice, man. Yep, here we go. I think what I'll do is I'll just put it over here on 50. So that's it for now. Thank you. God bless.